Hi, my name is Jennifer Millar, and I'd like to share a little about what you'll experience in our cellular transformation workshops. But first, I want to emphasize something important, which is that you have the inherent ability to transform the pain and trauma inside of you into life force energy and love. Now, that might seem like an exaggerated claim, but it's not. We are all born with the ability to heal, and learning and remembering how to do so eliminates a huge weight from your body and daily life. And I want to teach you how to do this. It is something I've been deeply immersed in and deeply passionate about for the last 20 years. Taking my own body through a cellular transformation process, eventually awakening the ability to channel or bring through powerful healing energies for self and others. And in turn, teaching hundreds of people around the world how to do the same thing. Ultimately, how to work directly with divine intelligence to transform generational trauma and epigenetic inheritance at the cellular level. All that baggage that we're carrying and walking around with that inhibits our ability to reach our full potential, the stuff that's consistently weighing us down. We're all carrying it, and we're all accumulating it daily. And my experience is that it takes something far greater than our human intellect to truly transform it. Now, this process is not for those who want to bypass doing the real work or the deep work for a quick spiritual fix. It is not spiritual airy-fairy woo-woo. This is deep psycho-emotional inquiry combined with spiritual transformation that results in fundamental life shifts. So you need to be prepared to change. During these workshops, we will be sitting in a powerful transmission of light for the entire weekend, and the intelligence of this light knows exactly how to unravel old fears, old contractions, and limiting beliefs in a manner that is unique to you. Now, Greater Wisdom Mind knows exactly and precisely what you need to heal, and at exactly the right time for you. So your unique journey with this light is tailor-fitted to suit your unique blueprint. Now, as you're going through these releases, what you'll experience or feel are waves of Kundalini energy moving through your body system. Tingling, hot-cold sensations, memories passing through, amplified emotions and tears, and goosebumps as the original traumas let go at the cellular level. And what takes their place are new expanded sensations of trust in yourself, in the universe, a deeper connection with yourself, and the feeling of light. You will get much, much lighter. And through the course of the weekend, you move into a very high state of love and bliss that's often compared to the power of a plant medicine journey minus the medicine. There's another thing that is very tangible in these workshops, and that is that you'll deepen your love affair with spirit in a way that is touchable, and it's something that you can taste and grab a hold of and wrestle with and utilize in your daily life, which I find very important. There's no question that these workshops are life-changing. They have profoundly changed mine through the years and continue to do so. So for those of you who are hungry to deepen and grow and expand into a loving, passionate, and spirit-centered life, I look forward to sitting in the light with you.